If you're seeing Gamma app error code 429, it usually means you've hit a rate limit, and the fastest fix is to stop generating for a short period so the system can reset. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to get back into Gamma without wasting time, and I'll also share a couple of practical checks that can help if the error keeps coming back. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, the most important thing to do is pause for at least 15 minutes. Do not keep clicking generate over and over because that can make the issue last longer. Gamma's rate limit usually works on a rolling window, which means it needs a brief period with zero activity before it clears. So the best move is to stop using the generator completely and give it time to recover. While you wait, avoid refreshing the same page repeatedly or submitting the same prompt again and again. If the app is under heavy load, repeated attempts can keep triggering the limit. Just step away for a few minutes and let the system cool down. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix error code 429. Now, if you're using Gamma in a web browser, the next step is to open an Incognito window. This is important because sometimes a browser tab or a background script in your regular session can keep sending requests to Gamma without you realizing it. That hidden activity can keep the rate limit active even after you've stopped clicking. To do this, open a private or incognito window in your browser, then sign into Gamma again from there. This gives you a fresh session and helps rule out any stuck cookies, cached data, or background activity from your normal browsing window. If Gamma works in Incognito, that's a strong sign the problem is tied to your regular browser session rather than the app itself. If the issue is still there, close out any extra Gamma tabs you have open. Sometimes multiple tabs can create duplicate requests in the background. After that, wait a little longer before trying again. It's also a good idea to make sure you're not using any browser extensions that automate page actions, since those can sometimes keep triggering requests and cause the same 429 error. If you want to be extra careful, try switching devices or using a different browser after the cooldown period. That can help confirm whether the issue is account-based or browser-based, but in most cases, the combination of pausing for 15 minutes and opening Gamma in Incognito is the quickest way to resolve the problem. So to recap, if Gamma app error code 429 appears, stop generating immediately, wait at least 15 minutes, and then try again in an incognito window. That simple reset is often all you need to get back to work. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Gamma troubleshooting guides.